Hi, I'm Chloe Ankers and I'm currently based at Black Lane County School. I'm currently doing a level 3 PE course with Achieve More Training and Wrexham Foundation. Wrexham Foundation offered me the opportunity to become onto this course, and I saw it as an opportunity to become a teacher or a sports coach, so I took the opportunity with both hands. Coming here, I didn't know much Welsh, and I've picked it up really easily because I'm constantly around it, and Black Lane have also put me through Welsh courses, which has also helped me. I've also gained a lot of confidence in myself because I've been around people who are very welcoming, very understanding, and to be honest, this place is like a family and they all support each other, so I feel like I'm a lot more confident in who I am as well as how I interact with the children. And when I was younger, we only had a boys' football team. There was no girls' football team, and I wanted to be a goalkeeper, which is a very odd position for a 9-10-year-old girl to be jumped into. So I did it with the boys' team and I loved it. I remember being excited when I first caught my own ball, did my first save, and I want to help others reciprocate that feeling because it was an amazing feeling and it drove me to be the player I am today, 10 years down the line, still playing. I think it's important because in some areas they may be less fortunate to opportunities like this, and they may not be able to get their dream sport, may not be able to have the opportunities to be active and be physical. So I think it's important that we provide those opportunities and help them build their own way into sport. I'd 100% tell them to do it. You have to take every opportunity you're given, and you can always decide later on if you don't like it or not, but I can ensure that you most likely will.